Hi grade 3, I miss you so much. I know it's not the same when we're not at school together, but while you're at home, you can keep your minds active. So I want you to use this time to keep learning. I want you to know how much I care about you. That's why I'm creating these short videos so that you can benefit from them. So now quickly, get your pens, your notebook and the language book at the ready, and without further ado, let's begin with Unit 10. Okay, now I'd like you to look at these three pictures. I'm going to ask you a few questions. Let's start with the picture on the left. So, where is the man? And what is the man doing? Is he in his room? Of course not. The man is in a cave. And he is holding a blazing torch. So again, the man is in the cave. And he is holding a torch. I'm sure you still remember the word cave. We saw the word in Unit 9. Do you remember when the children found the necklace of Mr. Strong in the cave? I'm sure you do. Right, let's move to this picture. What do we call this? This is a painting. What do we have in this painting? We have a family. Is it a rich family or a poor family? They look rich. So this is a painting of a rich family. This painting portrays a rich family. What about the third picture? The men are looking at the tomb. And it's the Pharaoh's tomb. I'm sure you know the Pharaoh. The Pharaoh used to be a king in ancient Egypt. Great, you're doing so well. So again, mirror, the man is holding a torch. Mirror, the man is in the cave. Mirror, the painting portrays a rich family. Mirror. Now look at this picture. Is this a painting? No, it's not. It's a photograph. Is it in color? No, this photograph is not in color. Now look at the last picture. Well, how many cameras do you have? Great, there are 2 cameras. And this camera is a digital camera. Right, again, the photograph is not in color. There are 2 cameras. This is a digital camera. Let us go through the meaning of the words. So number one, we have torch. What's a torch? A torch is a stick with a burning material on one end that is lit and carried to light. Tomb. It's a hole in which a dead body is buried. It's a grave. So what's a picture? A picture is a painting, drawing, or photograph. Digital camera. A digital camera produces digital images that can be stored in a computer and displayed on screen. Painting. It's a picture made using paint. I would like you to learn these words and memorize how we spell them. And now we are going to read the text together. People like to have pictures of their families and friends. They have pictures of places they visit and things they like to. We can get these pictures easily. It was not always like this. The first people made pictures inside caves. They made colours from earth and rocks. They painted pictures of men and animals. They lit torches in caves. The torches gave them light. Then they could see when they were painting. Some cave paintings are 30,000 years old. The tomb of the pharaohs had many paintings on the wall. The paintings told the story of the pharaoh's life. These paintings are 300 years old. Later, people painted on walls in cities and towns. The pictures often told the story of something important. The paintings were for everyone to look at. Rich people wanted to have pictures in their homes. Artists painted pictures of their families and their favorite things. Poor people did not have pictures of anything. Only rich people could pay the artists. The paintings were expensive because they took a long time to do. About 200 years ago, a few people made pictures with cameras. The pictures were not very good, and they were not in color. Slowly, the pictures got better. These were the first photographs. People liked them because the photographers could make them quickly. They could make cheap copies too, and more people could buy them. They bought photographs of other countries. They found out about different people. Newspapers had photographs and people saw pictures of what was happening all over the world. photographs and cameras got even better. Lots of people bought their own cameras. They took pictures in color. They took pictures of their families, their friends, and their holidays. Now, people take pictures with a digital camera. People download these pictures onto their computers. They email them to friends all over the world. Some people take pictures with their mobile phones. A person could take a picture of a cave painting with a mobile phone. Then he could send it to a friend's phone in just a few seconds. So now let's try to answer the question. Question number 1. Where did the first people make pictures? I would like you to go to paragraph 2, line 3, and you will find the answer there. You are right. So the first people made pictures inside caves. Question 2. What did they paint pictures of? Okay, so to help you, you can find the answer in paragraph 2, and that's line 5 and 6. They painted men and animals, that's right. Question 3. Where were the paintings of pharaohs? So you need to go to line 10 and 11. The paintings of pharaohs were on the tomb walls. Question 4. What story did they tell? The answer is in paragraph 3, and that's line 11 and 12. So the painting told the story of the pharaoh's life. Question 5. Why were paintings expensive? So in paragraph 5, line 24 and 25, we have the paintings were expensive because they took a long time to do. Question 6. What can people use to take pictures with now? So you can find the answer in line, if you go to line 45, you will find the answer there. So people use digital cameras to take pictures. Question 7. How long does it take to send a picture from a mobile phone? And you can find the answer in line 49, 48, 49. So then he could send it to a friend's phone in just a few seconds. That's the justification from the text. So the answer is